best two sides in the tournament finally going head to head. What a final we have in store. Drama guaranteed, and it's live, coming up next on EA TV.
And we are ready to go just about. Millions of viewers from all around the world are tuning in for the Super Cup decider. My name is Derek Ray here in the commentary position. I'm joined by Stuart Robson, and with the atmosphere building to fever pitch, we're inching ever closer to kick-off time. It is Manchester City taking on Sevilla.
Well, I have to say, Derek, I'm really looking forward to this. Both of these sides did so well to win their respective cups. I think this should be close tonight.
And so the starting 11 for Manchester City. Ederson is the goalkeeper. Bernardo Silva plays with Kevin De Bruyne in the centre of midfield. And handed the task of playing up front is Erling Haaland. And this is how Sevilla will line up. In goal, it's Marko Dimitrovic. Lucas Ocampos plays with Adnan Januzaj in the wide areas. And the idea is to have just the one striker up there trying to pose problems for the opposition. And gobbled up with ease by the keeper. Rodri. De Bruyne. On! And it goes! The goal for 1-0, and that changes the dynamic.
Well, it's a very simple finish in the end, but his movement was really good. He just found himself a good space in the box when it mattered most. Well, it's a big moment for him. Just needs to get his players refocused now.
So underway again here, 1-0 the score. Youssef En-Nesyri. Silva. De Bruyne now. Youssef En-Nesyri. Danger about it. Well read. Well, he's certainly not alone. And the shot. Goalkeeper getting in the way. Superb save. Let's see about the delivery. And it goes! The leveller! Thrilling stuff here.
Well, here it is again. It's a good delivery from the corner, which makes it a very simple finish in the end. It's a really good goal.
Rodri. De Bruyne now. Good work from Sevilla to win it back. Ruben Dias. Haaland. Adnan Januzaj. And he might be through here. Grealish. On to Haaland. Rodri. Here's Bernardo Silva. Oh, tremendous block. Cross working for them. And it's come off the keeper. Well, they can keep possession now. Gibrilso. On to Rakitic. Ocampos. Adnan Januzaj. Giving it a try. Closing down well. Well, he didn't really trouble the keeper. To be fair, the angle was tight.
Well, I'm not sure that was the right option. It was always going to be difficult to score from there.
Ruben Dias. Gvardiol. Possession one. A foul, but advantage played. Oh, what an opportunity. Well, the fans want to see a shot. He's trying to create something. It's offside, and perhaps he should have been a bit more alert.
And maybe a little bit more aware in the box. He was just too static.
If you're wondering about stoppage time, 1 minute to be added on. The first half here comes to an end. Well, as they get the ball running again, interesting to see how the second half pans out. Kevin De Bruyne couldn't keep the ball. Ramos completely on top of the situation. Well, body in the way. Crossing opportunity. Spotted cross and gobbled up by the keeper. Adnan Januzaj. On to Rakitic. Plenty of options. Nicely blocked. Jack Grealish. We're into the final half hour. At times they make passing look easy. But then the commentator's curse comes into play. Ivan Rakitic. Ocampos. Very alert defending to cut off the supply. Well, unable to hold his run, and that's offside. And the substitution will occur now. Can he find the right pass? Disappointing end to the move. It's 20 minutes remaining. De Bruyne. Grealish. Great opportunity. The chance has been missed. No other way to describe it. Now they're going to alter things. Here's the substitution. Suso has it. Well, a successful intervention, winning the ball back. Well, good run, miss. Now what can he do with it? Now maybe the really short route to go. Campos. And quick thinking defensively. He's in for the chance. Chance still on. Timely intervention. Ramos. Now with Rakitic. So. Only 5 minutes left for play, and tension galore with the teams locked together. In the closing moments of the game, and Sevilla in search of what would be a winner. Can he take advantage? It was caught nicely enough, but the fact of the matter is it wasn't on target. Gvardiol. Now with Silva. Mateo Kovacic. And playing it through. Full marks for trying, but very deftly cut out. Well, that's it for the 90 minutes, but this is not over, and 2 15-minute periods of extra time to come. So away we go again, the first period of extra time, and it's legitimate to ask to what extent mental strength will come into this. Looking forward to it. Well, that's splendid play. Just the challenge that was required. Well, doesn't have to do it on his own. Suso. And the cross into the middle. And no nonsense defensive clearance. And the counter-attack is on. Options available. And making sure there was no danger in the end. Ocampos. Excellent refereeing, advantage in operation. Making sure nothing untoward happened. Kevin De Bruyne. Through ball from De Bruyne. Electing to cross into the centre. Well, the electronic board showing 1 additional minute. Jesus Navas. Half-time in extra time, and still... And so the drama continues here. We're into the second period of extra time. Mateus Nunes. Oh, the flag's gone up, and there wasn't much in that. The quality of pass needs to be a bit better. And City on the front foot near the end of this contest. Still level here. Rafa Mir. Danger here as he runs out. Inside room looking promising. Big chance! And the keeper's delighted to see that sail well over the bar. Goal kick. Mateus Nunes. Well, 5 minutes remaining in this, the second period of extra time. Attacking possibilities on the flank for City here. The poor ball, and easy for the keeper. And threading it through. And a goal! This is what we adore this game. Late drama. And now they're in front.
Well, let's see this again. The vision to play this through ball is superb. And the finish is so clinical. It just rolls past the keeper, cool as you like.
So the ball is rolling again. 2-1 the score. And there goes the final whistle. They have earned the right to call themselves Super Cup victors.
And you can see what it means to them. They really did want to win this trophy. Good scenes here.
A lot of effort went into it. And the players proud of their achievement, as they should be.
Well, winning becomes a habit, and that's what this club are trying to achieve at the moment.
Hi, can you chat to us for a second about the match? Thanks, that's all the questions we have.
It is a new dawn and the sense that we are starting afresh. The first game of this brand new Premier League season, and it's bound to be compelling. Hello and welcome to the footballing hotbed that is the northwest of England. Our venue is Toughmoor. I'm your match commentator, Derek Ray, and my partner ready to bring you all the analysis and technical talk is Stuart Robson. And there are few more enjoyable days on the football calendar than opening day in the Premier League. It's Burnley facing Manchester City.
Well, thanks, Derek, and what a season this should be. Starting off with today's game. Can the visitors come here and display the ball that won the title last season? It should be a really good game.
The pass not finding its target. Bernardo Silva. Oh, this looks useful. Opportunity here. Oh, commanding goalkeeping. And how about the short corner? Bernardo Silva. Oh!
Well, what a piece of skill this is. It had everything. Agility, technique and power. It's a great goal.
The ball is moving once more. How important will that opening goal prove to be? And the advantage is with City. Well, the referee has reached for his pocket early on here. And following the infringement, a caution.
Yeah, no surprise there. That was always going to be a booking.
Ronaldo. De Bruyne. Oh, big opportunity. And collected tidily. They have plenty to think about. Cullen. Out of play for a Manchester City throw-in. Jeremy Doku. Since they have the ball, the referee playing advantage here. It needs an accurate cross. Magnificent defending. Phil Foden. Doku. Araujo. Holding on to what they have is the priority, apparently. And Manchester City moving the ball with purpose. Well, they couldn't take advantage of the opportunity. Rodri! Prevented the damage. Holland. And it wasn't a great pass, was it? Foden. Holland! Pretty simple for the keeper.
Well, it's been all City in the last 15 minutes or so. Creating lots of chances now, and you think if they do get another, it's going to be tough for the opposition to find a way back into this.
They need to stop him. And foul it is then. And delivered towards the back post. Well, really had to be further away from the keeper. Doku. It is advantage Manchester City here. Kevin De Bruyne. Well, inching towards the break, and City in front here. Stuart, as always, very keen to get your assessment as regards their performance.
Well, I think they've been the better side in this first half. They've defended well, they've looked dangerous in attack, and they've controlled the midfield. It's been a solid performance so far.
And it's 2 for him today. A masterful performance. The defenders unable to stop him.
Well, here it is again, and the way they've been playing, that was always going to happen. They've certainly been piling on pressure here.
Cullen. Vincent Manuel with it. De Bruyne now. Holland, big chance. Really digging in the back, but still the opportunity. And so, officially speaking, the first half is in the history books here in Lancashire. So back in business with City very much the dominant side. Can they repeat that in the second 45? Kevin De Bruyne couldn't keep the ball. Sloppy possession from Burnley. Well, a big piece of transfer news to relay to you, and this is hot off the press. Leon Goretzka has completed his move to Chelsea.
Yeah, I like the look of him. I think it's a good move for both him and the club. Let's hope he makes an impact fairly quickly.
A really committed challenge, and it's gone out for a throw-in. In time for the change now. Coming away with it. Foden. The ball with Rodri. And the counter-attack is on. Options available. And Bernardo Silva has it. Well, he failed to get it away properly. He takes aim. Waltzing in. And a goal to seal the hat-trick. A masterclass is finishing. Just can't stop them today.
Well, here it is again, and when you clear the ball, you have to get quite a distance on it to give your defence time to readjust. They don't do that, it's a poor clearance, and suddenly the ball's in the back of the net.
Just straying offside. A change in the offing for City. Holland. And the advantage is with City. Kevin De Bruyne. And a long way out here. And just too much height on the shot. Good officiating, waiting for the play to stop, and now going back to caution. Rodri. On to Holland. Foden. Now with Silva. De Bruyne. Is it going to be? Vital intervention. Well, make sure you join us for more Premier League action coming your way. It's Burnley versus Luton Town. And gobbled up with ease by the keeper. Gvardiol. The ball with Rodri. Outrageously skillful. De Bruyne. Now with Silva. And a tidy tackle. And showing the importance of width. Delivered into the area here. And the keeper really reacted brilliantly.
Well, from that sort of range, it's a great save, I have to say.
They've decided that now is the time to go to the bench. And deciding to go short with this one. Advantage with them. Referee says play on. And fine goalkeeping. And a goal at the second time of asking, but the keeper has let his team down.
Well, here it is again. And I don't think it's good enough for the goalkeeper, you have to say that. He spilled it right into the danger zone, and at this level, you're always going to be punished.
Alvarez. Now with Silva. Wonderful chance. Oh, good save. And so into the final 5 minutes. Effective challenge. Bernardo Silva. Benson Manuel. On the ball, Cullen. As far as stoppage time is concerned, 3 minutes here. Bernardo Silva distributing intelligently. A cheeky kick. And so the referee blows the whistle. It is the end of the contest, and the 3 points go to Manchester City.
Yeah, they should be happy with that. It was a good display, and it's always important to get off.